Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublai phi baru kini gilong ki khubor bam ta kasni. U MLA ka Mawlai constituency ba bright stewel mar banyang ulawan ra Iing Dorbar banyo jingshai ya ka jimbam la ban ai jong katna transport ban pet banya ya ka jingkit palat pun bat ya lat ki trok kit mar kabla long umau jenthut iki pat ba ka biya ka surok Mawlai ling ba ka jingkieng Umrynjah. Uba bright stewel mar banyang hababu jingkali ha ka call attention Iing Dorbar mang tingka sya deputy chief minister ba transport minister po ka kindon 54-1 bala ujo da ka Dorbar snong Mawlai ya ka bala mi hakilat pathai ha ka khalai turik urimpang arajar arposau. Shirshu uba bright stewel mar banyang uya thu Iing Dorbar thawan katna transport kadiban khmi ya ka ne bala pelong bagi trok kinyat na Mawlai jingkieng Umrynjah ha ka jingkit palat pun. Haba penpai ke jibab no menteri ketunan umas nyau balangdar uya thu Iing Dorbar thawan ha ka bayade ba kane ketunat kalale e ka badan kam na kaliang jong u unbut din.
Right kit trok kit palat put naka jingkieng Umrynjah let ujor ka Dorbar no Mawlai. Prester well Marbanyang MLA please.
Thank you, Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, for allowing me to call the attention of the Deputy Chief Minister in charge transport under Rule 54.1 of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business to the news item published in Mawlai dated 13 February 2024 under the caption Yat kitrok kit palat put na jingkieng Umrynjah let ujor ka Dorbar snong Shah DC. During the past few months, as we have witnessed, repair and renovation of the main Umrynjah bridge is being carried out, and this led to the increase in vehicular movement from Umrynjah passing through Maran Mawlai, Umrynjah, Mawlai, Nongkolo till Mautawar. And this has caused annoyance to the people living in these villages. And it is understood also that the build-up girder or the Bok bridge can withstand the load of up to 9 tons, as usually seen in the signboards which are displayed in almost all semi-permanent bridges. The Bok bridge at Umrynjah is very old bridge and which has probably been designed for the above load of 9 tons only. Hence, plying of heavy vehicles traffics on the bridge may affect the overall structure, and unfortunately, it may also collapse. Secondly, the road from Umden to Mawlai, Nongkolo up to Mautawar is still a single lane road, having pavement width of maximum 3.75 meter. Moreover, metallic and black topping of the road has been done as per state road design, that is conventional, which cannot cater to the heavy loaded vehicles. By saying this, it means that the road has been constructed taking into consideration that it will be able to withstand only for light to medium traffic. Apart from that, if we take into consideration the topography of the area where the road passes is mountainous in the stretches from Jalinshir up to Lommausing. Hence, heavy loaded vehicles will find it very difficult to counter the gradients while climbing up. This, added with the narrow nature of the road all along, poses great danger to the road users, for which fatal accident may occur. As of now, there has been reports that accidents are occurring frequently on the road due to increased number of vehicles. And therefore, I will request the Minister in charge to kindly look into the matter, whereby we understand that because of the repair work that is being carried out in the main Umrynjah bridge, automatically it has led to the increase in vehicular movement from Umrynjah up to Mawlai. But I will also request the Minister to see to it that these heavy vehicular should not pass through these villages. Otherwise, it will create a problem, it will create annoyance, and it might even lead to fatal accidents. Thank you.
May I request Honorable Deputy Chief Minister to make a reply, please.
Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, I am very thankful to Sri Bryce Darwell Marbanians, Honorable MLA from Mawlai Assembly Constituency, for raising these important issues relating to the plying of our loading trucks through the Umrynjah bridge. Yes, this issue was brought to the notice of Deputy Commissioner on the 12th of February 2024 by the Sinjuk Iing Dorbar Sinong, in which they informed that in the Dorbar held on the 1st February of 2024, the Sinjuk Iing Dorbar took a decision to inform the government authority that there are overloaded trucks plying through this Umrynjah bridge at night. And they stated in the letter that the overloading trucks, Umrynjah bridge at night, may cause the damage to the bridge, which is the only connecting point in the village, and which is a fact, Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir. And on receipt of the letter from Deputy Commissioner, has on the same day wrote to the Chief Engineer to the road, directed him to assess the permissible load admissibles to allow vehicle to ply over the Umrynjah bridge. Till date, the assessment report from the Chief Engineer to the building is still awaited, and it is bring to the concerns of the Honorable MLA that as soon as the Chief Engineer to the road complete the assessment on the permissible load allowed for vehicle to ply on that particular bridge, the Deputy Commissioner will pass necessary order to restrict the load of the vehicle and disallow all the overload to ply on that road. And Mr. Speaker, sir, I assure that follow-up actions on the complaint will be taken up at the earliest, and I once again thank the Honourable Member Sri Bryce Darwell Marbanians, Honourable MLA from Mawlai Assembly Constituencies, for raising these issues relating to the plying over of overloading trucks through the Umrynjah, and also all the important point sessions mentioned by the Honourable Member is point noted by me. I think with these few clarifications, I resume my seat, Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir.
Thank you. Bryce Marbanian, you may seek one clarification if you need.
I would like to thank the Minister in charge for having clarified with regards to the grievances as being put forth before the Minister in charge, and hopefully it will be taken care of by the department concerned. Thank you, sir.